All right, green, Osprey.
No, I said, yo, what? I hope you help me.
Here.
Please. Oh yeah, Carson, yeah.
This is I like this one. This is a nice green. Watch the edge of the trail, Carson. Hey! That's Nick's dad. Carson, you're destroying it. Nick, you're still with us? Nick, I'll wait for Nick. So Carson, Grand Prix is another good one. I like Grand Prix. What? All right, so here. All right, so here's your decision. If you want to try the blue, what? Yeah, we're getting over there. I'm asking Carson, do you want to do? All right, Carson. Do you want to do the blue or the green?
I want to get home safely.
What?
I want to get home safely. No, because green is so hard for us to get.
The green you have to hike up.
No, what about this?
This is like it's like Charlie's Run.
Charlie's Run, the steep part?
It's less steep.
Just be honest.
I'm being honest. Less steep, but a little more icy.
Oh, I mean, nothing digs in the ice, right?
Yeah, that's what this is for. The edges are meant to dig into the ice.
Let's go.
You're careful.
Blue?
Yeah.
Thank God.
All right, I will miss Nick. I've done.
Not about to go.
That is Red Fox is the worst trail here. I'd say.
I was not about to go outside.
That's Red Fox.
No, you're gonna have to go down Garden State, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Silver Fox, blue. This one, I like this one. Oh yeah! I'm cracked. Nick, you're gonna die. All right, good. Nick's still with us. Foxtail, blue. What? Yeah, you need to go right.
Right?
Yeah, right. Carson, right. Good. Oh, he got it. You heard that, Nick, right? What a save. Garden State, blue.
It's so fluffy.
It's nice though. I like the fluff.
Look at my gloves. Go on, Nick, get up. What? Hey, no, go.
Oh, here, I got you your pass. I got you your pass. Oh, here comes Angry Man.
Come you girls.
Woo! You just almost killed Nick. Alright. It's my dad. He's the coolest person here, probably. Here we go. This one, I like Garden State. Garden State's a great blue. What'd he say?
Carson said that you lied to him.
I told him the truth. It looks steeper, but it's not. My ditty. Oh, that's my eyes. Oh, he wasn't. He did it! Snobby guy. Carson! I told you the truth. I told you that's less steep than.
It just looks.
It looks a lot steeper. Yeah, I know. I told you it was.
Right quad is killing.
You remember how I told you about a possum?
What?
You remember a possum that blue I told you about?
No.
So they used to have a blue up here. They closed it for maintenance, and because they don't use this triple anymore, it was called a possum. It was right there.
Okay, right there.
Yeah.
I kind of want to head. Let's go. Where would it lead?
It would lead to the Vernon triple. It's when they that's when they were that was their main lift. That and they had the cabriolet, but the cabriolet was like slow as shit back then. Push you.
Nick.
Nick went with my dad.
Okay.
Don't wait for us at the bottom. Here, I got my pole.
Pull me. Anyway, can you pull that too?
Carson, that's the black.
Oh hell no. No. We're only supposing from here.
When you're actually on it, it's not that bad. It looks just like Garden State. But you did it. You did that's the hardest trail I think. You did everything I want. I did everything I wanted to accomplish today, so you didn't hold me down at all. Never say that. Oh, I almost just caught an edge. You good?
Oh, it's born good.
Yeah, I like that mentality. Your shoulder?
I was born bad. Oh shit. Sorry for cursing on camera.
No, you're fine. You can swear all you want. Here, you're pretty. You need help?
What's that? Oh, right on right there.
You're right.
Oh, that was a wipeout. Oh, dude, I thought I was doing so good.
Don't worry, I didn't get it on camera. I'm pretty sure. I'll look back at my footage. He caught an edge.
My arm hurts so bad.
He caught an edge. It's the worst when you do that. He caught an edge.
Oh, so you sliced his head?
Yeah, no. So what catching an edge means is, but you know how we have the edges on the edges of our skis?
Yeah.
What catching an edge means is like when you're going, but it gets like weird. So like, look, I normally turn like this.
Yeah.
Catching an edge means like this keeps on going forward. This gets stuck in some ice or something.
Oh.
So like, see how I turn, like, see how I get up on edge? Like, I'm turning like that. On edge. Catching an edge is like when one of those gets stuck. Oh, rough ice.